cutest bird.
And the dog is not very happy about it. But the dog knows that he's not supposed to bite the bird. He's very patient about it, but he's not very happy that the bird has literally taken over his bowl. And she will bite the dog. Look out, Jack. What are you going to do? Okay, she's done with your food. You can eat now. She just wanted one little piece of food. Come on, Corks. Come on, Corky. There you go. There. Say hi. Did you want to give Jack a kiss? I don't think... Are you calling that dog? Huh? Look, he's eating all his food now, so you can't get it. There.